at least just waited for, I don't know, 5 minutes, and he came. And now it just goes up and down all the time, so this is definitely a fishing spot for him. Comfortable for me though. Here we go. Let's see. Okay, so the dipper is still at that rock, but it's keeping flying upriver, and I'm on the downside of the river. So he's kind of flying away from me the moment he dives into the river. So I think I want to try to reposition myself now and be on the upside, so I can get him flying almost a little bit more into the camera instead of away from the camera. So I think that's the next plan here. I've got some really good videos and pictures of him now on that rock, but I think I want to try from a different angle. I might maybe scare him a little bit, but they're so used to people walking past here. This is like a road and a walking path right behind me here, so they're quite used to it. But I don't think they're that used to seeing people this close to the river. So I'll be careful, walk really slow, and just move when he's under the water, so I don't scare him. So I think that's the next, but I did get some good videos and pictures, I think, so yeah. So I am in the right position right now, but it's a little bit hard hitting the focus the right place in the air. So I'm trying to focus a little bit in front in the water where he flies, and just take the shutter, just press the shutter, and hopefully we'll be in focus in one of the shots where I have him, and it's starting to look a little bit good. He is fishing all the time. So he's giving me a lot of failed try and error here. So I'm currently balancing my camera under my feet here. So this dipper is currently fishing around the stone I want him to land on. So I'm just waiting now for him to go up to the stone. He currently flew in front of it, so it might come up there again. So I'm having everything ready here. I should have brought a tripod for this, because I'm really holding the camera in a really weird position. It's really tiresome, but hopefully it will be rewarding. Oh, there he landed. Woo. So yeah, I think the storage or the SD card on this little thing here is full. So my ending didn't get recorded, so I'll just do the ending on this one instead. But yeah, it's starting to get a little bit dark. It's not really that easy to use the 2x extender right now. And it's getting really cloudy as well, so the light is not coming back. So I think we just ended here. There's also a woodpecker here, so I did a couple of pictures of him and video. So he's kind of up in the trees right now, but he kind of did some good positions for me, or he posted a little bit for me, so that's good. So I got some good pictures of him as well, not only the dipper today. But overall I'm really happy. I got some good results, some good pictures, some good video. So I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, bye bye.